and Namaste to everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
Hello everyone. It's a new day for us. So welcome back to my channel. I have a surprise for you all. Ta-da! My husband. We got a little surprise for you all, so I'll let you know after few days.
She's my mom.
Everyone knows that. Where is your dad?
My outfit for the day. This is my new shirt, and yeah, this is from Max. This is my jacket. Today I'm also chopping off my hair. You can see my hair has become so long, so I'll chop off my hair today. They all are with their masks and they forgot for me. Bye bye! New shoes from my sister.
A few moments later.
I saw the spark glow in your eyes. Came crashing down, you struck a chord inside. The future never seemed so bright. It's only you and I. It's only you and I. We were just kids, sleeping so peacefully, so peacefully.
Finally got my mask. This is our shopping destination. Finally we reached here.
Your every shade of color can never love another. I'm lost in all your wonder. You hit me with that thunder.
2,000 years later.
Finally done with the shopping. Now we are heading for dinner.
I made a promise to survive through any. My mind, you're my ride or die. Stars in my sky. We were just kids, sleeping so peacefully, so peacefully. You make me see the beauty in everything, in everything. You're the sound of summer. You're every shade of color. Can never love another. I'm lost in all your wonder. You hit me with the thunder.
So this is a very beautiful place. Just look at it. Can you see that? That is a hookah bar, but we cannot go there because some constructions are going out there. What are you having?
I'm having mango juice.
Wow!
Gusto mo huntes talaga. Ayo.
Yo, chicken Manchurian, chicken fried rice,
Fried rice na sa.
yeah, chicken chow mein, egg noodles, chicken fried rice,